I'm Susan. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my Peter Rabbit journal. I finally finished it. And it's just a one signature journal. I've got my topper on with Peter Cottontail, or Peter Rabbit. I've got a few little tatted flowers on there. And I've got this beautiful lace on the spine. I've got this, it came from like a rag rug that you got at Five Below, and you just take off all the, it's like a silky feeling, I don't know what kind of material it is, but I pulled all that apart and I'm using this for ties. Okay, my first page, I've got lace pocket for the front and back. You've got this writing space, and got this little library card. I have got a lace doily with a couple of little cards tucked in there. Got that decorated. Got lots of writing space in this. So I've got that little dangle on there. I made that pocket using bits and pieces of Tim Holtz ephemera, or I should say tuck. And I think I did this on one of the 50 stack challenges hosted by Amy at Crafty Cat. It was in my stash. And the images are so cute. This is just an envelope, I believe it is. And the pockets on this side. And then another just little tiny tag. And tuck that in there. See, I did some stenciling, decorated the corner there. I've got a fabric flip with my little flowers and such. Cute little fella. This was the hidden paper clip I did for Amy's challenge. And let's see. Coffee dyed paper. Little pocket with a tag. Some more of that rag rug. Got lace, and of course I've got splatters all through here. Got that tag. And let's see, more writing space. Got this pocket stuffed with just some few ephemeras. I think that was a Roxy's Creation mask make. Oop, I didn't have it in the, there we go. I forgot. I left the back open for a pocket as well. There we go. So it's really like 3 pockets there. Okay, I've got this envelope, which this is an envelope that was wrapped around the bottom here. I've got this tag, and I crocheted. Big Mama Sandy Moore showed us how to do buttons. Now I have lots of embroidery floss because I used to cross stitch all the time. I tried to use it in the buttons, but I just couldn't get all of the strands through the holes. So I just did a little circle and connected it and just crocheted within the circle and made, like, I guess it's like a little doily flower or whatever you want to call it. And I just put a flat back pearl in the center. But I think it turned out cute. I've got different colors. You put that in there, and you got the you can see through the pocket. This is one of my makes from, I don't remember when I made this, but I like how it turned out. And I can tuck that in there. Okay. This is an altered playing card that I did from the 52 full deck challenge, maybe. Shinoki art. And then I've got this tag. And that's some more of that rug. That was a great deal. And I've got this dangle. I think like I said, I love the images. The images came from the Digital Collage Club, which is making and creating now. I made this tag for it. I made that just yesterday. And got that little tuck. Here's another tag, and here's another one of my little the embroidery floss doilies. And got that. And we've got all of this in the pockets as well. Beautiful lacing on the edges. I've got this one. That's some of the fodder I made. And then I've got these little things tucked in. This is a wraparound book page pocket. I think it's another one of Roxy's creations. I've got that tag I made. And these little pieces in. I made that tag. And that, like I say, is more of that. And just tuck that in. Got an old button. My little squirrel. More writing space. I love that trim. Made a belly band, and I made this a while back. I think it's cute. That may have been one of 50 Stack Challenge. Seems like it was. More stencil. Another little thing there. Some of that paint paper. Another tag with a different color doily. That was, like I said, made with embroidery floss. And this little cute little pocket came in Happy Mail. And another dangle. And then our last lace doily. That. And another journaling card. And another tag with a embroidery floss doily on top. Those are fun to make. Well, all right. Well, I hope you enjoyed my journal. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I'll have this in my Etsy shop soon if I haven't already got it in there. So I hope y'all take care. I love you. Until next time, bye y'all.